If you're thinking about buying property in Italy, today I'm going to show you what 24,000 euros will get you. Okay, so first you walk through this courtyard. There's a few houses in the courtyard. That's the main door over there. There's a couple houses, some are still up for sale, like this house is still for sale. And then this will be my house right here. So you walk in, look at these doors, like, wow. You walk in and off to the right, I'm going to make this little room a laundry room. And in here is your entranceway. So not sure what I'm gonna do here. And come up the stairs, marble stairs. Most of these houses have marble stairs. This will eventually be the kitchen. Definitely needs to be redone. We're gonna knock out all those tiles, put in a small kitchenette there. If you turn around, this will be the living room. So dining room, living room. Juliet balcony number 1. Then up the second set of stairs. This will eventually be a closet. Right now the bathroom is here. I'm gonna move it and it's gonna go over to here so that it's bigger, because right now it's just super small. And then very big bedroom. And this is Juliet balcony number 2. So a lot of work that still needs to be done, but closing is on Tuesday, and finally making progress towards the sale.
Visit any EXPAT for relocation assistance and onlyowners.net for vacation rentals. Don't forget to like and subscribe.